Today we are going to show you how to complete a Mississippi EZ individual income tax return. You will notice this form is only available for single people with no dependents. You can print this form from our website at www.dor.ms.gov. Also, before we get started, please have your W-2 present. When filling out the first section, make sure your name, address, and social security number are correct. Next, take the state wages from box 16 on your W-2 and enter onto line 1 on your EZ form. If you have any taxable interest, it will be entered on line 2, and line 3 is the total of lines 1 and 2 combined. The standard deduction and exemption total of $8,300 is entered for you on line 4. This amount is deducted from your wages to calculate your taxable income on line 5. The tax computation schedule is also provided for you online. Once calculated, enter the amount on line 6. If there is no consumer use tax due, carry it down to line 8. Your Mississippi income tax withheld that is reported in box 17 of your W-2 is entered on line 9 of the EZ form. Unless this is an amended return, you will not have payments or refunds from the original return on lines 10 or 11. If the amount of your withholding entered on line 12 is more than the tax due on line 8, you have an overpayment and this amount is entered on line 13. So go ahead and subtract line 8 from line 12 and enter it on line 13. If you would like to make a voluntary contribution to any of the 7 funds listed here, enter the amount and the total of these on line 16. Your refund due is the amount of overpayment on line 13, less any voluntary contributions on line 16. This amount will be entered on line 17. To complete the form, make sure you sign it below. It is not a valid filing without your signature. In order to have a completed submission, you will need to mail in your return and withholding tax schedule. Once completed, mail to the address highlighted below. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at www.dor.ms.gov or call us at 601-923-7700.